सिंगल है या मिंगल है?
सिंगल
अच्छा सिंगल है। शादी तो करनी है ना फ्यूचर में।
अनडाउटेडली अनडाउटेडली।
अच्छा तो ऐसा खानदान में ऐसा कौन सा किसको नहीं बुलाना चाहेंगे? ऐसा कौन सी मर्द होगा या औरत होगी जिसका खाला, चाचू, ताया, मामू या कजन्स में से आप किसको इनविटेशन देना नहीं पसंद करेंगे?
मैं अपने अंकल को इनविटेशन देना पसंद नहीं करूँ।
अंकल लाइक मामू, चाचू, ताया।
पैटर्नल पैटर्नल अंकल, पेरेंटल
अच्छा,
अंकल,
ठीक है दरियाल वाली साइड से।
दरियाल वाली
हाँ
चीज।
ठीक है समझ गई। क्यों, रीजन क्या, वजह क्या?
Because that person is not having a good character. Because when we are living life on the road, when we are dealing with the relatives, when we are dealing with the certain circumstances of living life, of showing your character, of showing your behavior in the family, that person is not having the good fame. That person is not having good fame. That person is not having good character. If we are looking to a woman, we should look at the woman like the sister. But that person is not having the ability and the capability to be communicated by me on the channel by using the good words. If at that level, at the peak level, in front of the camera, in the media, I spoke against that man, I am having the education, alhamdulillah, I am having the ability of understanding the human beings, alhamdulillah, I have understood the level of the anchor who is standing beside me. But that person was not having the character that should be justified by the brain.
चलिए भाई डन हो गया।